English Learning TV.
Today. Let's go to the market.
Let's go to the market.
I want to buy some fruits.
I want to buy some fruits.
Look at the fresh apples.
Look at the fresh apples.
I like bananas.
I like bananas.
Can we buy some oranges?
Can we buy some oranges?
These grapes look sweet.
These grapes look sweet.
I want a watermelon.
I want a watermelon.
The strawberries are red and juicy.
The strawberries are red and juicy.
I love mangoes.
I love mangoes.
Let's get some vegetables too.
Let's get some vegetables too.
These carrots are big.
These carrots are big.
I don't like onions.
I don't like onions.
Tomatoes are good for health.
Tomatoes are good for health.
I see green beans.
I see green beans.
Can we get some corn?
Can we get some corn?
I like potatoes with my dinner.
I like potatoes with my dinner.
How much is this?
How much is this?
It cost 10 baht.
It cost 10 baht.
That's too expensive.
That's too expensive.
This one is cheaper.
This one is cheaper.
Can I have one, please?
Can I have one, please?
I want to pay.
I want to pay.
Here's the money.
Here's the money.
Thank you, seller.
Thank you, seller.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
May I have a bag?
May I have a bag?
Let's go to the fish stall.
Let's go to the fish stall.
That fish is very big.
That fish is very big.
I don't like the smell.
I don't like the smell.
Let's buy some meat.
Let's buy some meat.
This chicken looks fresh.
This chicken looks fresh.
I want to buy eggs.
I want to buy eggs.
How many eggs do we need?
How many eggs do we need?
We need a dozen.
We need a dozen.
Let's go to the bakery.
Let's go to the bakery.
I want a donut.
I want a donut.
The bread smells so good.
The bread smells so good.
Can we get cupcakes?
Can we get cupcakes?
I like chocolate cake.
I like chocolate cake.
Let's buy some snacks.
Let's buy some snacks.
I want chips and cookies.
I want chips and cookies.
We need to wait in line.
We need to wait in line.
It's our turn now.
It's our turn now.
The market is busy today.
The market is busy today.
I see my friend at the fruit stall.
I see my friend at the fruit stall.
We bought everything on the list.
We bought everything on the list.
Can I carry the bag?
Can I carry the bag?
Time to go home.
Time to go home.
I had fun shopping today.
I had fun shopping today.
Thanks for listening.